Most people think their Walmart gift card is broken when it stops working. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is perfectly fine. The issue is usually a small mistake in activation, entry, or checkout setup that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Walmart gift card is not working in 2026, the real reasons behind it, and step-by-step fixes so you can use your balance without stress. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how it works. A Walmart gift card is managed through the system of Walmart and must be properly activated before use. If anything goes wrong during activation or checkout, the system may reject the card even if the balance is valid. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume the card is ready to use immediately after purchase. But many physical gift cards still require activation at the register. If the cashier missed or failed activation, the card will not work anywhere, online or in-store. So the first step is simple. Check your purchase receipt or confirm activation with the store where you bought the card. But here's where it gets interesting. Even if your card is activated, incorrect entry is the #1 reason it fails. People often confuse similar characters like 0 and the letter O or miss a digit while typing. The system does not correct mistakes. It simply rejects the card. So re-enter the code slowly and carefully. If it is a digital card, copy and paste it directly without adding extra spaces at the beginning or end. Now here's another issue most people ignore. Browser or app glitches can block the card from working online. If you are using the Walmart website with cached data or an outdated session, the checkout system may not recognize your gift card. Jake ran into this exact issue where his card worked on mobile but failed on desktop. Switching browsers fixed it instantly. So if something is not working, try using the Walmart app, clearing your browser cache, or opening an incognito window. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Region or account mismatch can also cause problems. If your Walmart account is set to a different country or region than your gift card, the system may not allow it to be used. So always double-check your account settings before retrying. But here's the problem. Even when everything is correct, system delays can still happen. During high-traffic sales or major events, Walmart servers may temporarily delay gift card processing. In that case, waiting 10 to 20 minutes and trying again usually solves the issue automatically. Now let's cover checkout mistakes. Many users forget to actually apply the gift card during payment. It does not always auto-apply. You need to manually select it in the payment section before confirming your order. If nothing works, the final step is contacting Walmart support with your card details and receipt. They can verify activation and fix account or balance issues quickly. So let's quickly summarize. Most Walmart gift card issues come from activation problems, incorrect entry, browser glitches, region mismatch, or checkout mistakes. And once you fix these, your gift card usually works instantly again. If this video helped you, like it, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides that make everyday problems easier to solve.